Morning, children. Lesson number 9, decimal fractions is going on, beta. Now let's see place value of the decimal fraction. And this question is from page number 54, problem set 38. Read the decimal fraction and write down the place value of each of the decimal fraction. And write down the place value of first is 6.13. Now see children, 6.13. So here 6 is the whole number and for 13 is the fractional part. So how will you read this? 6.13, or you can say 6 and 1300. 6 and 1300. Okay, now here you have to write the place value of each digit. 6 is the whole number. So PV of 6 is 6. PV of 13. It is fraction. This one is in the fractional part. So it is 1 upon 10. And PV of 3 is 3 upon 100. Got it, beta? Now let's see the another question. Forty-eight point 84. 48.84. Here PV of 4. See children, this 48 is the whole number and 8.84 is the fractional part. So 4, what is the place value of this 4? It is 40. 40 multiplied by 10 is 40. PV of 8 is here only 8. 8 multiplied by 1 is 8. Now the PV of this 8, it is the fraction. So it is 8 upon 10. And PV of 4 is 4 upon 100. Or here you can say 0.8 or here you can say 0.04. Got it, beta? Now let's see the another. Okay, so I'm giving you 3 questions as a homework and you have to read and write the number and their place value. So homework is better 72.05. Second, 3.4. 0.59. So first you have to write this in the words and then write PV of each digit. Got it, better? Now let's see the another term. This question is from problem set 3-9. Okay, so let's see the first new term, use of decimal fraction. So children, where do you use the decimal fractions in our daily life? See, where we need the whole number and fraction both. For example, rupees. If the cost of any object is 38.50 or 38 and the 50. So how will you write 38? 38 is the rupees and 50 is the paise. Or the capacity of a medicinal bottle is 50 ml. Only 50 ml. So it is the fraction, liter and milliliter. Okay. Or the capacity of the water bottle is 1 liter and 500 milliliter. So children, or the weight of anything, kg and grams, their both units are there. So that number we can write using decimal fractions. So in this way, you can use the decimal fractions in our daily life. Okay. And we all know that rupees 1 means 100 paise. Okay, so rupees 1 is the whole number and paise, because rupees is the greater unit and paise is the smaller unit. So whole number and the fraction. For example, rupees. And you always remember this thing, because whenever you write the number in the fraction, so always you have to write the greater unit. And don't write 3.75 paise. So here, before the decimal, the number is the whole number. So here, whole number means here the greater unit is rupees. Rupees 3. And after the decimal point, they are the fraction. And here, the smaller unit of rupees is paise. Paise 75. Got it, beta? Now let us solve problem set 39 from your book. Write how many rupees and how many paise. Write how many rupees and how many paise. First, rupees 58.43. Okay, so here we will make the table. Okay, rupees 9. rupees 0.30, and the fourth one is rupees 0.30. Okay. So see children, here we will make the table for that. Here I am writing rupees and here paise. See, before the decimal point, numbers are the whole number, means they are in the greater unit. So rupees 58 and paise is 43. Rupees 9 paise per. Here rupees 2 and paise again 30. Here again the rupees 2 and paise is 3. See children, 3. Yes. So you can put a 0 after the decimal part point. From the rightmost side, it doesn't change the value of the number. Okay. So it is question number 1 from your book. So let's see beta first like and unlike decimal number. So before that, we have learned like and unlike fractions. What are like and unlike fractions? Fractions having the same denominators are like fractions, and fractions having the different denominators are unlike fractions. Okay, but like and unlike decimal numbers means, so like decimals means numbers having the same decimal places. Means after the decimal point, they are having the same decimal places. Unlike means having the different decimal places. For example, see beta 48.26 0.26 178.55. So look at the only decimal part. So here is the 2 places after the decimal point. Here is also 2 places after the decimal point, and here is also the 2 places after the decimal point. Okay, 1 2 1 2 1 2 means they are the like decimal numbers. And Having the different are unlike. For example, see better. 26.489, 7.5, 190.5. Okay, 190.45. Now observe only the decimal part. 26, 7 and 19 are the whole number part. But see, 0.489, 0.5 and 0.25. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 1, 2. So they are having the different decimal points. Got it, beta? So they are known as unlike decimal numbers. Yes, we can change the unlike decimal numbers into like decimal numbers by putting zeros from the rightmost side. Okay. See, beta, for example, now see, observe. Here is this number is having 3 decimal places. It is having 2 and this number having 1. So it is very useful while we adding and subtracting the decimal numbers. So they are the unlike decimal numbers. Okay. So let's convert them into like decimal number. How will you see? So first you have to observe which one is the greatest decimal place. 1, 2, 3. So we have to convert all the decimal numbers into 3 up to 3 decimal places. So already it is 32.689, 25.11. So maximum is 3. So you just put a 0 from the rightmost side on the decimal part. Now see that it becomes 1, 2, 3. They are the like decimals. Third one is 76.8. Maximum is 3 and it is having only 1. You can put many zeros from the rightmost side in the decimal part. See, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Got it, beta? So in this way, you can convert unlike decimals into like decimals. So here we are stopped. Bye bye, children. Bye bye, beta.